Hi guys, this is Dr. Baker and today we're going to learn how to make some eggless chocolate chip walnut brownies. So let's start with some regular all-purpose flour, to which I'm going to add some cocoa powder, baking soda and some salt. Give it a very good mix. I'm using a blend of regular and Dutch processed cocoa, but you can feel free to choose whichever you like better. In a separate bowl, take some milk with regular instant coffee and vanilla. Coffee enhances the chocolate flavor. Add in some flavorless oil and give it a very good mix. Now take that sugar and drop it in the liquid mixture and mix it until the sugar is combined. To the dry mix, add some chopped walnuts or any nut of your choice and a spoonful or a handful of chocolate chips. Mix it so that all the chocolate and walnuts are coated in flour and they don't sink into the bottom of your brownie mixture. Now add the dry mix to your wet ingredients and start mixing it around. Mix it until it is nice, smooth, shiny and absolutely lump-free. It's gonna look very runny at first, but trust me, it's gonna be really nice and decadent once it's done. Pour it into a prepared case which is lined with some parchment paper. Top it off with some chopped walnuts and chocolate chips and bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for around 30 to 35 minutes or until a skewer inserted comes out clean. Let it cool down and then just eyeball the kind of size you want and then start cutting into small pieces or maybe big pieces. Break it open and start eating immediately because it is to die for. It's so nice and fudgy. I hope you guys make it and you enjoy it. For the complete recipe, head on to my website. Thank you for watching.